What's going on, everyone? Salinas Cam Mods here, and this is actually the first day that the Thunderbird comes out of the garage since the paint correction and ceramic coating on the entire surface. Just check out the reflection. It's just like glass. Look at that. So the reason I took it out right now is because we're gonna go ahead and take it to the tire shop so that we can get the new tires that we just bought installed on it. Alright guys, so now we took off these hubcaps from each rim. I noticed that there's a lot of surface rust on the actual rim itself. You can see that up close. So I can't just put these back on there just like that. I'm gonna go ahead and paint these with some black spray paint for metal. And before I do that, I'm gonna prep the surface. B check. Everything be beating out here. Yes, sir. Now let's get the rag, dry this all up. In my soul, in my soul, in my soul, I feel so alone. I feel so alone. I feel so alone. In my soul, in my soul, in my soul, in my soul, I feel so alone. So since I'm cleaning the wheels already, might as well just clean these hubcaps.
24 hours later.
So as you guys saw yesterday, we got all 4 rims painted with this flat black. Came out real nice. And right now we're gonna head over to the tire shop so that we could get these old tires off and these new tires on there. And this blue right here, it's the white wall. So it's not blue for those of you guys that aren't so familiar. So this is what the rim looks like with the new tires on there. They washed off that blue. Now that the holidays are over, I'm gonna get these bells off. And they're on with zip ties, so I'm just gonna splice it with the knife right there. So we're gonna get all 4 of these on the car so that we can go ahead and drop it back down. So unfortunately, these lug nuts right here, they're pretty stripped and they don't go back on. They get stuck like right there. So I don't want to mess with that and mess up this thread right there. So I'm gonna put that on pause until I get a new set of lug nuts. Now that we got the Thunderbird on pause, we got this Chevelle out. We're gonna go ahead and pull it up to the front where the trailer's at. And we still got some stuff to do on the Chevelle. So what do we still got pending for the Chevelle?
Body work, prepping it for paint, lining up the body panels, electrical, and a paint job.
There you guys have it. This is what she looks like right now. The whole engine bay is painted. And that's gonna be the paint for the entire vehicle, which is the original color.
"24 hours later."
All right, everyone, so back to the Thunderbird. You guys saw we're missing some lug nuts, which I have right here. I was missing a total of 9, so I went ahead and went to AutoZone and got all 9 of them. So now that we got them, the last thing to do is make sure that one of them at least fits to know that they all fit. Come on, man. All right, there we go. Moment of truth. Look at that. There you go. Brand new. Kind of wish that I got all the same, but they didn't have these. They didn't have enough of these, so they had to give me these. So I got 2 different ones. But these I got like, I think 4, and these I got 5. So total 9. I forgot I have to put on the little copa on there. So I gotta take some off.
Finally!
All right, everyone. So there you guys have it for this week's video on the Thunderbird. Got new tires mounted on it, painted all 4 rims, cleaned all 4 hubcaps, and sprayed down the car to see how the ceramic coating works. It was a cheap coating, but it did the job, as you guys can see. Nice reflection on there, and very nice beading. And last but not least, if you guys are new to the channel, feel free to subscribe, drop a like and comment on what you guys want to see. You guys want to see more of the lighting? You guys want to see more of the, oh shit, little sneak peek of what we got next week? Front bumper OEM with the chrome lower valence. Check it out. That's the before and that's the after. Huge difference. It does have a little chingazo here, you know. Ain't so bad. Hammer and dolly it de atrás. And you're set. Put some mud and then vinyl wrap this. Cause it's gonna chip anyway, so I'd rather wrap it. Y acá arriba de this camper, al menos se va. Alright, but anyways, that's for next week. So back to the T-Bird. I'm gonna give you guys a little run through right now.